Welcome to MEFERI. Here, our headquarters and production unit as one, the center where ideas become reality and drive industries forward. Entering the first floor, our work begins. Here are located the HR office, showroom, and meeting room. In our showroom, you can see and try MEFERI AIDC solutions, designed to drive your business, solve real tasks across industries. In our meeting rooms, we welcome partners and guests to discuss cooperation, explore opportunities, and share ideas, from business presentations to conversations that shape future projects. As we rise to the second floor, we move closer to the teams shaping tomorrow's MEFERI solutions. On the second floor, MEFERI's technical departments drive innovation and customer success. R&D develops new concepts, while solutions and system integration adapts them into client-ready projects. Product management oversees the lifecycle, ensuring alignment with market needs, and IT secures software and infrastructure. Together with technical support, these teams transform ideas into reliable AIDC technologies that solve industry challenges and deliver lasting value. On the third floor, sales and marketing teams shape MEFERI's global presence. Here, strategies are created, partnerships are built, and every conversation helps bring our technologies closer to customers, turning ideas into opportunities and opportunities into growth. Now we rise to the fourth floor, the core of business operations. On the fourth floor, finance, business development, legal, and export operations work side by side. Beyond numbers and strategies, this is where international trade is managed. Contracts and invoices are prepared, certificates issued, and customs clearance completed with precision. By combining financial planning, compliance, partnerships, and export processes, these teams secure MEFERI's stability and ensure our products move seamlessly across borders, supporting sustainable growth and global customer confidence. Now we move toward the production area, the core of MEFERI manufacturing. Here are our production, quality assurance, supply chain, and logistics departments, coordinating operations, securing materials, ensuring quality, and moving goods onward to support continuous manufacturing flow. Entering the factory, where strict standards guide every step of production. In MEFERI production lines, every process follows precision and quality, creating solutions that empower industries with reliable performance and lasting effectiveness. In the aging room, devices undergo endurance testing, ensuring long-term stability, durability, and trusted performance before reaching industries worldwide. In the final packaging area, each device undergoes last inspection and secure packing, ready to be shipped with proven reliability. In the structural components warehouse, essential parts are stored and organized, ensuring continuous supply for assembly and smooth manufacturing flow. In the components storage area, electronic parts, mechanical components, and batteries are stored and staged. In the device testing laboratory, products undergo drop, tumble, temperature, and endurance trials, verifying durability, responsiveness, and long-term reliability before reaching demanding customer environments. Along the corridor are IQC inspection areas and the finished product warehouse, where products are organized, staged, and dispatched for delivery. From here, finished goods move via the freight elevator, a direct route from production to shipment. Arriving at the ground floor, products are loaded for transport, moving from MEFERI's warehouse into trucks bound for industries worldwide. Every step is about delivering trust, reliability, and value for our partners and customers.